Hi, this is Asin. Today I would like to share how to get back the workbook or the Excel sheet that we protected with a password that we have forgotten. So for example, I have a sheet here. If let's say I would like to edit a certain cell that I previously protect by using the review protect sheet. Okay, let's say the password that I use is 123. 123. So I have accidentally forgot the password and then I realized that the formula that I set is actually wrong. So unfortunately, I'm not able to edit anymore. So what we have to do here is usually if we remember the password, we can click on protect password and enter the password accordingly. How if let's say we forgotten the password? This is really a tragedy. So today I'm going to share two methods that can help us to unprotect the sheet without the password. So we also try for protect workbook. So we can do at the same time. So also 123 and 123. So let's say okay, I already saved this workbook. So I will close it. After we close the file, what we have to do is go to the file directory or the folder where the file located. So what we have to do here is to change the file type. So we right click the file, then we look for properties. So what we have to do here is change the file type Microsoft Excel to zip file. Okay, as long as related file type. So we just have to follow what is available in our computer. So what I have is the winner. So I will choose this one, then okay. So once it's already changed, then I will open it. Next, we look for the XL folder. If let's say we would like to remove the password that protecting the workbook, or we want to unprotect the workbook, so we look for the workbook, we double click, then we will have the text or the notepad. So what we have to do is use the search engine. So different version of Windows might have different format. So it doesn't matter as long as we look for the word protect. Okay, the appearance is not important here. So we find next. Okay, so as we can see, this is the workbook protection, the workbook password. So what we have to do here is we just delete, or we can actually put 0. We can just simply delete or put 0. So it doesn't matter. Then okay, then find next. So this is the sheet name, so nothing to do with this one. Then find next. So no more. Once already done, so I will cancel file. So I will save file. So once already saved, so close it. Then we will get a message that's saying that the workbook was modified. So do we wish to update? Of course, yes. So once it's already updated, so to be safe, to secure our work, so I will close it so that it will make sure that I be able to unprotect the worksheet at the same time. So I will double click again. Okay, now I will do for the second time. Now I will go to XL folder again, but this time I will look for worksheets. So click on worksheets. Then we protected sheet 2. So I click on sheet 2. So find, save, protect, find next. Okay, so remove the password. We can delete or put 0. So okay, can cancel. So after that file, we can actually find the protect word until no more. So find next until no more. So then we look for save. Okay, then we close it. Do you want to update? Yes. So it's a must to update. Otherwise, the file won't be, the password won't be updated. That means that the password will still be there. So we close it. Okay, now I will change back to Excel. Okay, so we double click, so we open Excel and see. Okay, now go to review. As we can see, it's still protected, but doesn't matter, we just click. So as you can see, it's no longer protected because we don't have the password. So we unprotect. So everything is already done. So we are now able to edit. Okay, so another method here, instead of changing the file to zip, okay, before that, let's put back the password. So 123 123, then also 123 123. Okay, now what we are going to do here is, okay, let me save and close. So I will now close the. Another method is by using the advantage of Google Sheet. So I will now upload the folder, the file, to my Google Drive. So I double click. So already converted to Google Sheet. Once it's already converted to Google Sheet, so as we can see, we can now edit without any constraint. So the formula will still be there. So if let's say we don't want to edit anything over here, so we just file and then we can download. So once it's already downloaded, so we open and see. Remember to enable editing. So now we enable. So we go to review. So the workbook is no longer protected with password, as we can see over here. Okay, then we double check on the unprotected worksheet. So it's also not protected. These methods could help us to get back our words so that our efforts are not wasted despite we have forgotten the password that we preset. However, these methods could also putting one's work originality at risk, as we can simply remove one's production without knowing the password. Okay, what do you think? Kindly comment at the bottom and share your thought. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.